at the center. It has to be the focus of what you're doing. And the citizens do not know yet the art of the possible. They don't know what they can have. We don't even understand exactly what we can offer. So instead of pretending that we know the answers now, we need to create an information technology platform that allows the innovators to shine and innovate as fast as possible. At EMC, we have 4 core principles on the Smart City platform of the future. We believe that it has to be open. Information has to be openly and broadly available, so people can actually make smart decisions, informed decisions. It has to be agile, again, to accelerate the rate of innovation, to enable entrepreneurs to actually come quickly, add an application, change, adjust. It has to be software defined. It has to be defined, innovated at the speed of software, not at the speed of hardware from one perspective. And from the other perspective, by using standardized hardware components, you will get the economies of scale and the economic value from the infrastructure. And last but not least, it has to be data analytics driven. We have to mine the data. Sometimes we focus on, when talking about the Internet of Things, on the collection, on the wiring, on the transportation of the data. This is just a means towards an end to actually mine and analyze the data to realize its economic value.
Finally, 30 seconds, give an example of a project, or a city, let me be specific. Give me an example of a city where you've worked and helped develop something amazing that delivered great benefits, that delivered happiness, in just 30 seconds or so.
Okay, I think that one of the biggest components of life is how you actually be efficient. The speaker this morning was talking about technology becoming invisible. And what we have today, one of the biggest time burners in our lives is transportation. And we want to make transportation more efficient. So we worked on a project that based on every single data that we have, even without saying where you are going this morning, when you get out of the house, based on the time, based on where you are living, the day of the week, the day of the month, the week of the month, we can predict, the system can predict where you are going and find the best route for you to avoid major congestion. So it doesn't, you don't need to actually tell the system where you're going. The system can actually predict and be proactive and guide you.
Marwan, if I can turn to you, Marwan Salam.